Museum? I guess it's just a museum for circles. Now let's find out. You just never know what you're going to see on the side of the road. Like, seriously, what the hell is that? Looks like a giant ashtray. That's some serious recycling right there. That's some serious recycling. Just in the middle of nowhere. Is this your property?
Yeah,
This is amazing. This is amazing. Have you created all this?
Sorry?
Have you created all this?
Yeah, these are made it.
Let me shake your hand. What's your name?
Vision.
What is it?
Vision. How are you?
Nice, nice. This is absolutely
yeah.
amazing. That was amazing. Doing this for 37 years, and
Yeah.
this is your gallery, and you live here. Wow. I mean, it truly is amazing. I really want to thank you for
You're welcome.
the
It's
tour.
open to public people.